Hello, today I will show you how to make 3D smooth gradient character in Illustrator. Okay, let's go. First open your Illustrator, then make a new page. Then click on the rectangle tool and make a rectangle on full page. Now choose the eyedropper and go to here, fill colors, and double click on this color and choose this color. I am choosing dark red 2T0303. After choosing that, go to objects. Now go to lock and click on selection. After that, go to the text tool, type tool, and write any text. Click here, characters, and increase the size, font size 400. Now write character here. I'm writing A because my name is Ask Further. So I select this and go to characters. Now I have to choose a best font. Click here. Now press A and move the cursor down and down. I am choosing Arial Bold, this one. After that, right click here and go to the create outline. Increase the size of the character. Now choose the eyedropper tool and fill the color in it. Click on the black color, double click on it. Fill. Shortcut key X. I am filling red color 9P070. After filling the color, click on OK. Now go to Apex. Here click on the Apex and click on the 3D and go to Extrude and Bubbles. Extrude depth, set it to 575. Now right here plus 27. Here minus 22. Don't forget to click on this preview here. After that, click on OK. Now move this in center. Now guys, we have to go to objects and click on expand appearance. After that, choose this direct selection tool and click on this character A character. Now press Ctrl X and press Ctrl F to paste on it. Now we have to select this 3D. After selecting that, don't select this character A, only select this 3D. Go to gradients. Here, click on gradient. You can also find the gradient option from window here. This gradients. Now guys, you have to select this one, white black. After selecting that, choose the eyedropper tool and choose this red color, character red color. After choosing that, here click on this red color and drag it and place it here in the gradient bar. After that, move this black symbol to down here, drag it to down. Now move this symbol to right side. After doing that, choose the eyedropper tool and click on the background color one time. After selecting that, click on this dark red color and drag it on the gradient bar and place it here. After doing that, drag down this white symbol, and now this symbol, move this symbol to left side. Move this cursor, this small circle, to right side. Sorry, only this cursor. This is looking good here. After that, select here. Now guys, choose this correct selection tool. Section tool only, simple selection tool. And select the whole character. And click here, the stroke. Click on the stroke, double click here. And empty the stroke here. After doing that, click on this character option. Only click on this character. Now press Ctrl C and press Ctrl F to place on it. After placing that, you have to open the gradients and click here on gradient and choose this white and black. After doing that, move this stroke to fill here. After filling black and white color, go to transparency and now set this effect to normal to soft light. After doing that, press Ctrl C again and press Ctrl F again. Now go to the effects and click on the blur and go to Gaussian blur. Click on the preview option. It's looking good here. 28.5 pixels. Now click on OK. After that, go to transparency, and then choose this effect to overlay. Now guys, you can see that our 3D smooth character is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel.